To do the diagnosing, I found out that cylinder 3 and 2 is misfiring badly. So if you can see, cylinder 3 and 2 is misfiring badly. So now I'm coming to, I've set up my scope already. If you can see, I've done AC volt and 500 millivolt, so 200 millisecond. Let me do it 1 second. Let me change my time and do it 1 second. So now it's 1 second. So I'm coming to crank the car. It's having misfiring, so come to crank it to identify the misfiring. So now I'm done cranking. I pause it and I can use the voltage to zoom in. I'll use the time to do that. So let me reduce my time, and you can see for my time it looks like there is 2 cylinders missing. So if let me take this as an example. If I mark this one, so if you can see there is one missing. So let me go to voltage and change my voltage from 1 volt to, yeah, to, okay, let me do 500 millivolt. Then you can see there is one missing. So let me pick it one. So let me do that. You can see that there is one missing. So that means it could be a head gasket, a valve, or any other thing. So I'm suspecting either head gasket or a valve, because I've changed ignition core, I've swapped ignition core, I've swapped injectors, everything, and it's still, the misfiring is still occurring on cylinder 3, and cylinder 2. So that means my relative compression is right. So it tells me that it is having head gasket or valve issue. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.